Fit, fabulous, and active. That's today's baby boom generation, with more than 70 million strong. And that includes Carolyn and Chris Jones from Miami, Florida.
Hi, I'm Carolyn, and this is my husband, Chris. And we love living in Miami, and we love our lifestyle here. Bike riding, hiking, we swim a lot. But you know, we're almost in our 60s, so we get a lot of aches and pains here and there, and we take care of our parents as well. So we're looking for something to bring at home that will give us a little more safety.
In fact, one place at home can be especially unsafe as we get older: the bathroom. That's where about 80% of household falls happen. Enter Seachrome.
Chris and Carolyn, so nice to meet you. Doug Carmichael from Seachrome.
Hi, Doug. Thank you for coming. Well, we renovated our bathroom, and it looks beautiful right now, so we do need something sturdy and safe, but we don't want it to look like a hospital.
I totally understand, but it's so important to have safety in the bathroom, and Seachrome can provide products that don't have that institutional look that'll give you the spa-like experience you're looking for. At Seachrome, for over 55 years, we've made shower seats that meet the American with Disabilities Act. This means they're sturdy and compliant. In addition, we have matching grab bars that you can put in there for handling and stepping in and out of the shower. So Carolyn and Chris, these are two of our more popular styles for residential looking grab bars. We have the Wave Bar and the Coronado Straight Bar. They're easy to install, but I think for your application in the shower, we're gonna recommend this satin bar in the straight that we'll put up against the wall. Over here, you've got the Silhouette Teak seat. Again, a very slim look with that teak wood that gives you the spa-like experience you're looking for. It's easy to clean, and when it's not in use, it'll fold right up against the wall.
Perfect. Can't wait to see it installed.
All right. The seat is only as good as what it's installed into. So it's important that you use a professional to install your seat and locate the wood studs behind the wall. Once you locate the studs, our seat is designed to be 16 inches on center, which is the normal spacing of studs on a wall. And then what's great is we include a template, and Jesus is just gonna level that template up so that we have a level seat. So now that we've got this taped up against the wall, we can see exactly where we need to drill our holes, and we'll go ahead and get that done. You can see now that he's putting just a little dab of silicone into each screw hole. And that's real important to make a waterproof installation. So important that transition from the floor into the shower floor where it could be wet, to make sure that you're holding onto something as you make that transition into the shower. This is where falls will take place. Again, a very slim look with that teak wood that gives you the spa-like experience you're looking for. It's easy to clean, and when it's not in use, it'll fold right up against the wall. And for that upstairs tub shower, we have the Bridgeport tub seat. What's great about this is underneath there are adjustable posts. This will fit inside the tub, but when you don't need it, it can go back in the closet.
Doug, thank you so much, really. We love it. I think it feels so secure and beautiful.
Great. I'm so glad I could help. Enjoy your new shower.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
To see the full Seachrome collection for shower and bath, go to seachrome.com or check us out at designingspaces.tv.